Hello, my name is Bradley McAllister, and today I'm going to show you a video of our 1A project for which we received 100% on for our code. For the project, we are in charge of designing the robots, code, and scenario. We also tested and debugged the entire system. Here's our first robot. It was in charge of finding and collecting the cups. The second robot was in charge of picking up and sorting the cups by color. The robots use both their sensors and motors to complete their tasks. The first robot will search for the first cup that it detects. Then it will go and grab that cup. Once it has grabbed the cup, it will send a Bluetooth message to the second robot telling it to get in position to pick up a cup. The first robot will then return to its search location and position itself so that it will find the colored lines in the middle. Once it finds the lines, it will line follow until it sees the blue line. There it will send a quick Bluetooth message to the second robot telling it the color of the cup. The first robot will then continue to line follow until it sees the second blue line. There it will release the cup for the second robot and turn around and send a Bluetooth message telling the second robot to come in and pick the cup up. The first robot will then repeat this process over again. The second robot will come in, pick up the cup, and sort it by the color that the first robot sent it.